What we're doing today is we're reaching out to the Google Development Group to show some of the new technologies that Samsung's working on.
This is just one of many workshops around technology, Samsung technology. Today, we're going to spend some time highlighting Linux on DeX. So Linux on DeX is exciting for developers because one, it goes beyond just applications that exist on your smartphone, right? So what DeX does, it extends your mobile phone to an entire desktop experience.
So you'd want to use DeX if you were moving around in a mobile office. You can plug your phone in and turn it into a desktop with USB, HDMI, Ethernet, mouse, whatever type of peripherals you have. When you bring your mobile applications over to this type of experience, where it's large, you have access to the desktop, you have access to peripherals to make it easier to work with. Having Linux and that full experience and that full stack just opens up the world of development. How many of you do code development on your phone? Anybody? Anyone have an integrated development environment on their phone? Really? No? No? Okay. Me neither. And that's always been one of my pet peeves, because honestly, I use this thing for everything. When you're trying to do development or content creation, you need a full set of tools and you need a full-blown OS. So most developers carry around several laptops and their phone, other mobile devices, and now we have the option of running the entire Linux stack on the DeX. This is Linux, full Linux on that phone. Now you have a device that you can develop on. Right? Leave your laptop at home. Right? I mean, it's running pretty powerful. It's an 8-core processor. We can run Eclipse, full Eclipse. What this really offers to enterprises is no compromise on your desktop. So now all of a sudden you can truly do your entire work from the phone. It's very simple to deploy. It's very simple for end users to use, especially when developers are requesting this type of developer access and this type of platform. So one of the advantages of using this type of solution is that you can use Knox and you can use your standard MDM in an enterprise to push out Linux to a myriad of devices and have it fall under the security that you already have. Another very interesting thing about Linux is it's license and royalty free. So you can deploy a full suite of applications and a full stack of development utilities with no licensing costs and no royalties. So this was our first outreach to the Google developer community. And I believe they were very impressed with the technology, how quickly it performed.
The excitement level was there, the questions were there, and that's usually how you're able to test whether or not developers are excited, right? When the questions come.
Samsung is very interested in pushing the latest technologies and pushing that envelope. So the developer community really determines the next level of technology and where it's going. So we like to keep a close relationship with the developers and listen to that feedback and incorporate it into new technologies like DeX.
You have the expertise, you have the creativity, you have the intelligence to build these amazing solutions. All we're trying to do is be the facilitator for that, right?
We know these developers are excited about new technology, being able to have first-hand experience with playing with this technology. So this is an opportunity to get direct live feedback with that. So today we're partnering with Google developer community, and in the future we're going to reach out to all these niche groups around development and hopefully build a big enough community that we can leverage for future opportunities and future events.